Crypto or stocks? Which one makes you rich faster? One builds your future, the other tests your disaster. You've seen the hype, the wins, the fame, teenagers turning millions, playing the game. But what they don't show, the losses, the pain, the people who tried and lost it again. So today we break it down. No hype, no tricks, just real truth about both money picks. 1. Stocks deep dive. Stocks are ownership, simple and clean, a piece of a business behind the scene. When companies grow, your money does too. That's how the wealthy quietly grew. It's not overnight, it's slow and tight, but over the years, it builds up right. Dividends pay while you sleep at night. Passive income, steady and light. Less emotion, less panic and fear, but you need patience, year after year. 2. Crypto deep dive. Crypto is speed, raw and extreme, a digital world chasing a dream. Coins can explode, overnight gains, turning small cash into massive chains. But just as fast, it all can fall, from hero to zero, losing it all. No safety nets, no steady ground, just hype, emotion, and noise all around. It rewards the bold, the fast, the smart, but punishes fear and a careless start. Speed comparison. So which is faster? Let's be real clear. Crypto wins speed, that part's sincere. Stocks move steady, step by step. Crypto can jump with one bold bet. But speed alone won't make you win. If you crash midway, you lose within. The risk reality. Here's what most beginners don't understand. Risk is the game, not luck or chance. Stocks may fall, but often recover. Crypto crashes and stays undercover. Many coins die, fade into dust, leaving investors broken in trust. So if you chase speed without control, you might lose everything, chasing the goal. Smart strategy. The rich don't gamble. They play it wise. They balance both and maximize. Stocks for safety, long-term gains, crypto for bursts and risky plays. It's not about picking just one side. It's knowing when and how to ride. So what makes you rich and makes it fast? The answer depends on how long you last. Crypto is speed, stocks are power. Master them both and you'll own the hour.
Subscribe for more tips, like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.